Many organizations invest in collaboration technology and tools with nothing but good intentions. But when people aren't empowered to learn or use them regularly, and experiences become cumbersome or difficult to manage, those good intentions often translate into low adoption rates and lackluster ROI. At Ignite, we believe that technology adoption shouldn't be complicated. From IT to marketing, we'll work with your entire organization to understand business drivers and success metrics, ensure our solutions are impactful and supportable, create communications that resonate with users, implement ongoing education plans, and even correlate user feedback with utilization stats for a comprehensive look into ROI. We'll work with you before, during, and after implementation, helping you avoid adoption barriers and empower users to bring technology into their existing workflows, not the other way around. So, are you ready to get more out of your collaboration tools? Reach out today to schedule a meeting.